day, everyone. Welcome to Ifugao Province, home of the world famous Banaue rice terraces, often called the 8 wonders of the world. My name's Angeliza Pirado, and I will be the tour guide for today. And let me introduce you our bus driver, Sir Ran. Say hi to Sir Ran. And don't forget our bus number, NBX 8700, color blue. Again, NBX 8700, color blue. Please relax and enjoy. But before, let's do the head count first. Starting with you, beautiful ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 25. Amazing! And also, we have emergency kit here. In case of emergency, please stay calm and follow my instruction. And if you have any question, please call my name, Angel, and I'll be there for you. So, ihanda natin ang ating mga camera para makuhanan ang mga magandang mga tanawin. So, are you guys ready? Ready! Say ahoo! 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 Okay! Amazing! So, this is our first destination. Ladies and gentlemen, what are you looking at right now is the Banaue rice terraces. Right now is the Banaue rice terraces, estimated to be more than 2,000 years old. These terraces were hand-carved into the mountains by the Ifugao people, without the use of the modern tools or machinery. Imagine the patience, the skills, and dedication it took to build these taking steps. They would stretch halfway around the globe. That's how massive this engineering masterpiece is. The Banaue rice terraces are not just about farming. They are a reflection of the Ifugao people of way of life, spirituality, and unity with nature. Rice is not just only food here. It is carried in the planting and harvesting of rice are guided by the rituals, chants, and the wisdom passed down through generation. So there are tourist reminders. As we enjoy this majestic view, please remember to respect the land and the people. Avoid the littering and stepping into the rice paddies without permission. Photography is welcome, but let's always ask local if we wish to take their pictures. Before we leave, take one last look at UNESCO World Heritage Site as a true masterpiece of human creativity and a harmony with nature. The Banaue rice terraces are not only a source of pride for the Ifugao, but also for the entire Philippines. I hope this visit inspired you to appreciate and protect our cultural treasures. Thank you for joining me again. I'm Angeliza, and say thank you to our bus driver, Sir Ranwan. Again, I'm Angeliza, and I